any business owner who is not getting enough leads and they are thinking that there is no leads in market, they don't getting leads for their businesses or whatever, like if you are selling say your product or you are selling some services and you're not getting enough leads for market. So I have to say one thing to you guys is that there is no shortage of leads in this market. You probably don't know how to get leads, so that's why you are lacking the leads. Just think there are lots of people all around you where you are sitting with your business, and there are whole world to offer, there are whole country, whole state, whole local area to offer, and why you are saying there is no enough lead in your market? You probably don't know how to get leads properly. So you should utilize our advanced methods. You should use and utilize Google Ads and other platforms, and make some system and tools through which you can get to leads in just automated way, or you can say you are getting enough leads on daily basis. So just think and execute those things in order to get leads. Just don't think that there is no leads in the market, because there is no shortage of leads. You probably don't know how to get it.